Skippa them job. Listen, me normally chat, but listen, Skippa them hear the song all over TikTok. Everywhere me go, me hear the song, so I have to listen to it. Now listen, me normally, but like, subscribe, follow the video. You know, Skipper drop the bangers them one night time. Them is Z-Pre, so like, out of page, Z-Pre. Oh no. Did it again.
Dummy on the beat, so it's a banger.
Jump out, I'm smelling like a millionaire. Switching the gears, bad bitch, I suck it through.
Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord. Hold on. Like, are y'all, listen, Mark, Mark, you did your thing on this. Even though, yo, Mark. Yo, Mark ever have some bad beat? Leave that joke, bro. Yo, Mark ever have some bad beat, bro. Like Crashdummy up too. Shout out Crashdummy and me.
Dummy on the beat, so it's a banger.
Blood gas, if I did it again. Jump out, I'm smelling like a millionaire. Designer boots, I'm switching the gears. Bad bitch, I suck it, I'm
Hold on, what
smelling
the
like a
hell?
millionaire. Designer boots, I'm
Boy, Skipper got on them Jerusalem one. Them Jerusalem sand ones, bro. This is shit Jesus was wearing. Hell, I could the hell. Hey,
did it again. Jump out, I'm smelling like a millionaire. Designer boots, I'm switching the gears. Bad bitch, I suck it, do it for Brazilianaire.
damn, like,
Designer
where
boots, I'm
this
switching
at?
the
Where
gears.
this
Bad
at?
bitch, I suck it, do
Yeah,
it for
damn, like, we got straight. Yeah, that's straight. Yeah, right.
Brazilianaire. Say she love the cat, my gal and no care. And plus, I'm gonna give a fight amount of thing in my ear. So anything my pass pussy I stay. But if a nigga feel bad, they better tell him behave.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
The music tell me how you feel like. Man, be a fucking and even
What about them? Mark ever look in a David there? No, what about them? What about them?
baby tell me how you feel.
What about that or whatever?
We got hot, nigga close to fever. So left you broke boy, where I post for me. Like
Listen here, I said, listen. No, you're listen.
nigga close to fever, tell me how you feel. We got hot, nigga close to fever. So left you broke boy, where I post for me. Being guys in a show for me. Back and I follow tons man, but you believe it.
Listen, I heard niggas saying, yo, man, them say, yo, man, this time, how sense, bro? That even makes sense, brother. That makes sense, brother. That makes sense, bro. Tell both of bro, man, them say, jam all this, bro. What? That's one I got this here, brother.
We got hot, nigga close to fever. So left you broke boy, where I post for me. Being guys in a show for me. Back and I follow tons man, but you believe it. You got the heart of fucker, come not to dig. Why you skinny down a bun up, plus I have a visa. When I put up in the side, you need it. So you fling it, so me catch it like a right receiver.
Yo, I said, huh? Catch it like a wide receiver, like 100, like these, like, oh, just I catch you, like, you know, like,
When I put up on the side, you need it. So you fling it, so me catch it like a right receiver. So music tell me how you feel like. I be a fucking nerdy like. And even killer in the team. Every day we feel like. Yeah, blood guys, if I did it again. Jump out, I'm smelling like a millionaire. Designer boots, I'm switching the stairs. Bad bitch, I said, I'm smelling like a millionaire.
guy, man, this skipper guy look like he did it again, man. This skipper guy, man, he looked like he did it again.
Yeah, designer boots, I'm switching the stairs. Bad bitch, I suck it through for Brazilianaire. Said she love the
Bro, is this deep? I mean, that don't matter to me. big shawty, but like, you know what I'm saying? Like, hold on, like, straight baddies out here.
The girl I not care. Plus a man I give a fight the mother thing in my ear. So I give him a pass pussy I stare. But if a nigga feel bad, they better tell him be here. How you feel like? How you feel like? I need a trophy, I need a I need a killer in a tree catch. How
Really?
you feel
Alright. Mark, Mark, hey, skipper, man. The skipper guy, man, look like he done did it again. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Skipper. What you feel like? You think number one for the chance. Big up Skipper, you know, big up Mark. Crashdummy. Crashdummy, I didn't think so. So, big up them, man. Uh, Madness. Look like he did again.